Everything you're seeing in this video is created by AI. It's simply fake. It is created through a process called diffusion. It's a type of generative model used for creating images, videos, and other types of media content. Sora showcases the amazing progress made in AI-powered visuals. Let me show you what else it can do. And stick around, I'll show you another AI model further on in the video. Sora, an AI model developed by OpenAI, is creating a buzz in the digital world. It's able to generate complex scenes with remarkable realism, specializing in the design of 3D visuals, augmented reality, and digital fashion. Sora has opened up the potential to bring to life hyper-realistic virtual worlds, focusing on immersive 3D experiences. From the bustling marketplace of Tokyo, you are able to see details of the people, their faces, and the details of the landscape as if a videographer is actually filming. My mom thinks I'm cool, but I need more subscribers to prove it. Help me out, please hit that subscribe button. Just look at this scene with these adorable golden retriever puppies frolicking in the snow. But it's not just about the detail, it's about the motion too. Sora understands the physics of how things move, making each scene feel incredibly lifelike. And the cherry on top, it can produce videos in a variety of styles, from photorealistic nature scenes to vintage-inspired trailers. However, as with any innovation, Sora isn't perfect. There can be unnatural movements, odd glitches, and inconsistent frame rates. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. While the advancement is impressive, it's important to note that Sora is still a work in progress. Sora has demonstrated its versatility. Let's explore some of the striking examples of Sora's creations. Sora's videos range with scenes from beaches, forests, cityscapes. One of the most captivating videos takes us to a bustling street in the heart of Tokyo. It features a provocative woman walking down the street surrounded by other shoppers. The detailed environment, accurate lighting, and convincing textures make it hard to believe it's not a real video. Next, we're transported to a steep dirt road, where we see a white vintage SUV with a black roof rack speeding up. The realism of the vehicle's motion, the dust kicked up by the tires, and the rugged road texture are a testament to Sora's understanding of physics and movement. Then we're treated to a vivid nighttime cityscape, with a lone robot surrounded by luminous cars and people, highlighting the intersection of advanced robotics and urban life in a silent, evocative manner. But Sora's versatility doesn't stop at realism. It can also create whimsical scenes, like a young man reading a book while perched on a piece of cloud. It's a delightful blend of realism and fantasy, demonstrating Sora's ability to generate a variety of styles. From realistic urban scenes to whimsical cloud reading, Sora's variety is truly astonishing. It's thrilling to imagine what else this remarkable AI could create in the future. If this video made you smile or even just exhale slightly through your nose, a like would be appreciated. Since you've hung in there till now, we're going to explore Hyper AI. Hyper has a simple sign-up with a Gmail or Discord account. Creating a video couldn't be simpler. Begin by entering a text prompt. And if you need a suggestion, simply turn to the free ChatGPT link, which can be found in this video's description. The user-friendly web interface of Hyper AI is a straightforward navigation. Users can effortlessly create their projects. The process of generating a video masterfully was developed by a team of experts from Google DeepMind, TikTok, and celebrated academic research labs. This innovative tool allows users to manifest stunning videos from mere text prompts and images. Hyper's capabilities are extensive and diverse, setting a new standard in the world of video production. Take, for example, the sector of stock footage. Hyper's AI-generated videos blur the lines between AI and human production, making them almost indistinguishable from those filmed by human videographers. This could stir a revolution among professional videographers and image libraries, as AI increasingly becomes a potent disruptor in the creative industry. Hyper's proficiency in convincingly creating historical settings could revolutionize the production of historical documentaries and other related media, altering our perception of the past. But like every innovative tool, both Hyper and Sora, and the various other AI video-generating applications coming to market, carry a potential downside: the risk of misuse. If manipulated with ill intent, they could be utilized to fabricate misleading videos, especially in politically charged environments. This ignites essential ethical discussions about the use and regulation of this type of technology. The creators, while boasting the extraordinary capabilities of these technologies, have not really addressed the ethical issues. presently Happier is available for free and supports the creation of 2-second HD and 4-second SD video lengths. Hyper continues to evolve and improve. An important question comes to mind. Why is Sora AI able to produce longer videos compared to other AI video generating platforms? The possible reasons could be superior algorithms. Sora AI might have developed more advanced AI algorithms capable of handling the complexities of longer video generation. This could involve better scene stitching, narrative coherence, and handling of transitions. Specialized training data. It's possible Sora AI has trained its models on a unique dataset that includes more long-form video examples. This would allow the AI to learn the patterns necessary for creating longer content. Next possible reason is computational resources. Sora AI might have access to significantly more computational power like GPUs, enabling them to process the requirements of longer videos more effectively. Sora is intentionally focusing on longer-form video generation as a way to differentiate itself from competitors who are predominantly focused on short-form formats. It is important to note that this is simply speculation. Without specific knowledge of Sora AI and its competitors' inner workings, it's difficult to say definitively why they're producing longer videos. Hyper indeed signifies a crucial milestone in the speedy progression of AI, demonstrating extraordinary abilities from crafting detailed scenes to understanding physics and motion. It also incorporates a unique feature that enhances creative flexibility. Peering into the future, we can't help but get excited about what Sora, Hyper, and other AI video generating platforms will bring. Experts are forecasting monumental progress AI, raising the potential to craft more intricate and lifelike scenarios. Visualize settling down to a film where every scene, character, and dialogue is penned by an AI. What's more, envisage a future where you can feed the AI your own ideas and observe as it breathes life into them, transforming them into a full-length movie. The degree of customization that these AI models offers is impressive. Now that we've looked into the promising future of AI video generation, it's your turn to step into the creative spotlight. Have you been inspired to try out these AI video tools yourself? We're curious to see what you can create. Whether it's a short film, a documentary, or even a music video, AI can help you bring your vision to life. Share your creations in the comments below. Let's showcase the power of this community and the limitless possibilities of AI. If you felt this video was interesting, you'll want to check out and click on this video on the screen. Take your first step into the world of AI video generation today, and let's shape the future of creativity together.